welcome to Parktails. My name is Bayla, and we're going to show you how to make honest hot cocoa. So to make this drink, you're going to need to make hot cocoa. We chose powdered kind. You can make your own hot cocoa. We chose Swiss Miss Simply Cocoa. You're going to want to pour it in your mug. Pour your boiling water in. And stir. We got these chocolate marshmallow spoons from World Market, and they're really cute. And so you're just going to stir it until it looks somewhat like hot chocolate. And then you're going to pour your peppermint syrup in. The recipe will be on our website. And so after you've done that and stirred that in, you're going to grab marshmallows and be as generous as you want. Anna's hot cocoa. So, I find it funny because Anna's whole life she's been trying to get into Elsa's room, and then Olaf just comes and opens it with a carrot. A carrot!
Oh my gosh. Okay. Just dip it in there.
This marshmallow just